Welcome again to Cocoa Beach. My name is Dave. I'm going to take you on a quick tour today of amazing unit number 1 here at Spanish Main. First of all, take a look here at Spanish Main number 1. We are here on the patio, actually standing in the doorway, and take a look at this view here at Spanish Main number 1. This is what it's all about. I mean, here you are on the very first floor. Take a look at how gorgeous the view is. You are right here. You can see and hear the waves here at Spanish Main number 1. Let's go in and take a look at the unit. First of all, we'll show you what's out here on the deck. Take a look. You've got a couple of boogie boards over here. Plenty of seating. Got a little table out here too, and a place for you to have just a good time while you're here at the beach at Cocoa Beach. Let's take a look at this unit. You are going to love this unit. A massive flat screen HD TV. Take a look at that, and here we are inside the unit. This is the living room area, and I'm very excited about this unit because this has been updated just very recently. We've got new prints on the walls. We've got some really good looking stuff here at Spanish Main number 1. This is unit number 1 at Spanish Main. We're going to show you all about it. We're going to take you on a quick tour today, but take a look at what you're seeing inside this unit. You are living right on the beach. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and we're going to show you all of it here at Vacation Cocoa Beach. What a beautiful unit, nice living room area, and like I say, that view, you just can't beat that view out the window and outside your sliding glass door. The walk over to the beach is literally right there, so all you need to do is walk out, take a left, go over the ramp there, over the bridge, and you are on the beach. Beautiful Cocoa Beach, Florida. Here at Spanish Main number 1. What about the dining room? Let's take it out. Look at it here. Let's take it. Oh yeah, very nice. Got a beautiful dining room, and you'll notice that all throughout this unit, there we go, ceiling fans everywhere throughout this unit. What about the kitchen area? Let's take a look at the kitchen. Oh, this is a beautifully remodeled kitchen. I mean, you're going to love it here. Again, another ceiling fan. Plenty of light in here for you. We got a microwave and a stove, of course, full-size fridge and freezer. Take a look. It's beautiful. There is the kitchen. There's the sink. We even have a dishwasher here for you. All of the little appliances that you're going to need. And everywhere you look throughout this unit, even standing in the kitchen, check it out. You're looking out to the ocean here at Spanish Main number 1. Right on the beach here at Cocoa Beach. You can't get any closer. Nothing is between you and the water. What about if you walk out the front door? Say you want to go to the pool. Very easy. Let's go out the front door of this unit and take a look at where the pool is. Wow, it's right there, literally. This unit would be considered the closest unit to the pool. The closest unit to the pool here at Spanish Main. Now, the rest of the unit, let's check it out. Should be easy to see because this unit is all together and it is beautiful. Nice tile floor here at Spanish Main number 1. Let's go on into the bedroom area. We'll check it out here as we go. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. This is actually the 2nd bedroom. And take a look, there it is. We haven't seen the master yet. We're gonna go see the master, but I mean, this plenty of room. You got windows here on the other side. That's the pool side. And a large closet over here for you to put your stuff. You wanna do that? And you can see there we have a dresser. And each bedroom has its own bathroom, and this one's connected here. Check it out. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. I mean, all redone. I mean, this is very nice. You can tell that they've taken great care here at unit number 1. It's beautiful. Let's go down through the hallway here and see. And of course, beach is a place of relaxation, rest, and tranquility. You're going to love it here at number 1 here at Spanish Main. What about the master bedroom? Let's check out the master bath. Oh, that's beautiful. That's very nice. Well done here. We got a shower in the master bedroom here. And take a look. Yep, all new appliances in here, new cabinetry. Just beautiful. They've done a great job with it. Into the master bedroom. And of course, the master features, yep, that's right, you can see the ocean out of the master bedroom at any time. A very large flat screen HD TV. And let's come on around to the bed and take a look at it. It is a big king master bed here at Spanish Main, unit number 1. You're going to want to get this one on the books because this is going to sell out fast. Unit number 1 here at Spanish Main. So give us a call. You can get on the schedule, or you can send us an email, of course. Head to our website at vacationcocobeach.com. Again, that's vacationcocobeach.com. We hope you've enjoyed the tour today. My name is Dave. Thanks for taking the time to go through it with us. We know you'll love it here. Spanish Main, unit number 1, on the ground floor, closest to the pool, at vacationcocobeach.com. And there's that view through the door. Thank you very much for taking the tour, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks a lot.